The Xiaomi Mi5 runs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 processor, and as mentioned the model I'm testing is equipped with 3 GB of RAM. It's fast, really fast. In some benchmarks it shows up as being the fastest phone on the market, although my tests didn't return quite that result, so I suspect that's the Pro model with 4 GB of RAM. It's also worth noting that this is a dual SIM phone, a feature that's popular in Asian markets. That's probably one of the reasons why it won't show up on any UK networks. Who wants to give someone a handset they can use on another network? But it's a nifty feature, and will be worth its weight in gold when you travel and want to avoid your mobile network's roaming charges. Right now the Mi5 is running Android Marshmallow software, but in some markets you can also have access to MIUI 8 from Xiaomi that offers Android 7 features. We haven't been able to download the latest version of the software yet, but it's coming soon, so we'll be sure to update this review when we get it. Xiaomi has so far been okay with updating its flagship phones to the latest software. There may just be a little wait for it to come to the Mi5. One feature of the Mi5 is customizability. I'll give you an example. You can change the name of your SIM networks if you don't like the given names, and while that's a tiny point, most phones don't allow it. You can also customize the look. You can install beta versions of MIUI, the UI Xiaomi uses, and even the ROM installation is made much easier than on other phones. Xiaomi Mi5 review. It's also possible to change the UI to match standard Android a little more closely. For example, by default, notifications aren't shown at the top of the screen as they are in Android, but changing this is only a menu tap away, and you'll then see email, message and other notifications as you would on any other phone. When trying out the various features on a new phone, it's easy to forget that it is, actually, a phone. And so I departed from my normal habit of staring constantly at the screen, and made a telephone call. The call was clear, with ample volume, the speakerphone was also easily loud enough, and the quality here was good too.